Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Buddy. We have finished revising class 11 syllabus twice and this is the second time revision of class 12 syllabus, and today we are going to do 15 MCQs from the chapters that you're seeing on your screens. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Question number 1. In honeybees, drones are produced by unfertilized egg, fertilized egg, low-fed larvae, larvae fed with royal jelly. In honeybee, drones are produced by. The correct answer is option A, unfertilized eggs. The process of production of drones in honeybees is through parthenogenesis. Question number 2. A plant breeder wants to develop a disease-resistant variety. What should he do first? Hybridization, selection, mutation, crop production. What should be the first step of a plant breeder if he wants to develop a disease-resistant variety? Correct answer is option B, selection. He should select the plants with the desired traits before carrying out any other step. Question number 3. Which of the following organic acids is produced by fermentation? Oxalic acid, lactic acid, citric acid, propionic acid. Organic acid produced through fermentation. Correct answer is option B, lactic acid. Question number 4. Improved Indian variety of wheat carrying genes of Dauphinus and higher percentage of proteins and lysine is Lerma Rojo, Kalyan, Sharbati Sonara or Sonalika. The correct answer is option C, Sharbati Sonara. Question number 5. Cod liver oil is a rich source of iodine, vitamin A, vitamin B or vitamin C. Cod liver oil. Correct answer is option B. It is a rich source of vitamin A. Question number 6. Total biomass of a crop can be reduced due to damage to reproductive organ, inadequate rain, high temperature or fertile soil. Total biomass of a crop can be reduced due to. Correct answer is option A, due to damage to the reproductive organs. Question number 7. Callus culture can be used to achieve regeneration of plantlets, production of transgenic plants, isolation of protoplast, or option D, all the above. Callus culture can be used to achieve. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 8. Root regeneration is promoted by cytokinin, auxin, gibberellin, IAA. Root regeneration can be promoted by. The correct answer is option A, cytokinin. Question number 9. What is not necessary for production of pure line of a plant? Now, what is not necessary? Self-pollination, homozygous individuals, true breeding, cross-pollination. Correct answer is option D. Cross-pollination is not required for production of pure lines of plant. Question number 10. Domestication of silkworm is known as sericulture, pisciculture, apiculture or horticulture. Domestication of silkworm is called as. Correct answer is option A. It is called as sericulture. What is pisciculture? Domestication of fish. What is apiculture? Domestication of honeybees. What is horticulture? It is cultivation of vegetables. Question number 11. Plants having similar genotype produced by plant breeding is called as clones, haploids, autopolyploid or genome. Plants having similar genotype produced by plant breeding is called as. Correct answer is option A. They are called as clones. Question number 12. Poultry diseases include fowl typhoid, blue tongue, ranikhet, fowl typhoid, tick fever or blue tongue. Option C, ranikhet, blue tongue or tick fever, or option D, tick fever, ranikhet and fowl cholera. Poultry diseases include. The correct answer is option D, tick fever, ranikhet and fowl cholera. All these are poultry diseases, that is diseases in birds. Question number 13. Emasculation is a part of clonal selection, Mass selection, hybridization, or pure line selection? Emasculation is a part of. The correct answer is option C. It is a part of hybridization process in plant breeding. What is emasculation? The process of removal of the stamens. Question number 14. What is the advantage of clonal selection? Varieties developed are stable. Hybrid vigor is easily utilized. Only method to improve clonal crops. All the above. Advantage of clonal selection. Correct answer is option D. All the above. Question number 15. Which of the following is correct statement? Drone is diploid. Apis indica is the largest bee. Wax is excretory product of bee. Fritz discovered communication in bees. Correct statement. Of the four statements, the correct statement is statement D. Fritz discovered the communication of bees. So those are the 15 MCQs for today. We'll see you guys again tomorrow at this very place, this very time with another set of 15 MCQs, and the topic for tomorrow's MCQ session would be the next chapter of class 12 NCERT biology. So do read that chapter up before attempting tomorrow's MCQ session. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.